Hello YouTube, here we're back in another video. This is a Echo, a cs305 model. He just bought a new chain right there. As you can see, the chain is brand new, sparkling new. He brought it back. Look, we still have the choke on there. The choke's still sticking out. We've been trying to turn it on. Tried it a few times. It's just not going. I have another spark plug right here that I tried there. Maybe we didn't have no spark. It still wouldn't go. I'm seeing here the primer right here. That looks too dark to me. You would be able to see the liquid. I'm thinking they put overdid it on the 2-cycle mix oil. Let's check the fuel. Take a look at the fuel, see what's going on. It says here fuel, and right here that's for the chain oil. This one says it's for the chain oil. Let's check what we got in the chain oil. Well, that looks watery. Okay, that's what we brought out. That looks like the mix oil. Let's see what we got in here. Wow, that looks thick. But I'm thinking here they put the wrong mixes in there. There's oil here for the chain. It's vice versa. I know other chainsaws are vice versa. This one is crazy. I would probably mess it up too like that. That's oil. We have to get something to put the oil in. I'll be back. Okay, let's drain what we got in here. Wow. So we got all this chain oil all in the system. It's on the carburetor, through the fuel lines, and the primer button. So we got a mess here. I see oil everywhere. It's thick. Here, I'm almost done taking it off. All the oil in there. That's the gooey stuff that I got out. This extra toothbrush. Heated it up real quick, bended it so I could get in there and reach in there and get as much as I could out. Here we're gonna open the carburetor. Well, I would like to see this side first. Look at that, that's green. Oh, there, all the oil went in there. You can see it. It's oil. Look at all that oil. I got all in there. Thick oil. Carburetor back, been cleaned. Man, it was hard. Get all that gooey stuff out of there. So now we're gonna assemble this back in here.